Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'd like to take you through my small nursery where I've been able to plant several trees here. Most of them are fruit trees which I later plant them in the farm. So this is a small nursery that I'm now taking care of my plant here. Here you can be able to see some of my fruit tree. These are the avocados, and you can see they are ready to be moved now to a bigger space. So I'm going to transplant them now and put them to a bigger place where they'll now grow to bigger trees. So I'm going to show you how I'll be able to move them now from my nursery and now into the garden. So let me take you through, so join me. So guys, I would like to take you through the process of transplanting my avocado now from the nursery to the garden. And here you can see I have the avocado already here, and I also have a hole that is dug. So you make sure that you make or dig a wider hole, mix the soil well, and always ensure that the soil is fertile. So after this, just have to pour some water inside here. Have to pour some water there. Then after that, now you can be able to cut the paper holding the plant now slowly without damaging the plant. Don't shake the soil because it may shock the plant. So do it slowly. You can see what I'm now doing. Just remove it slowly. You can see that the roots are strong and ready to be able to support the plant while it's now on the ground. So I'm now going to put it in the middle there. You can see it's in the middle there, and then I'm going to fill it with some soil, not a lot of soil. You can see it's right there. Then I'm going to add some water there. Yeah, you can see how it is now. And after this, I'll take my plastic container, try and make sure that I support it. Now my plant is ready there for germination. So I'm going to plant several avocado trees, and as you can see, my farm is surrounded by lots of trees. There is now my avocado plant that I've already planted, so it's protected there by the plastic container surrounding it. They can see another one. So today I've been able to transplant 4. Hope I'll be able to transplant even more. There's another one also. So mostly when you plant your seeds in the nursery, sometimes you may end up getting some plants, or sometimes you may not be able to get some plants. So sometimes it's a 50-50 practice. So being a 50-50 practice, sometimes you may not even get anything. So when you get a plant coming out of a nursery, so you are very lucky. You have to appreciate it. Here is also another fruit tree, this orange tree that is now growing. I also planted this several days ago from my nursery. There you can see the purple tree growing. There's another one that's also growing through the drip irrigation from the plastic container. This is another purple plant. And here have the loquats. You can see they're really growing. Here's a mango tree that is also growing. Here you can see the guavas. So it's very important to plant fruit trees in your farm, because you can be able to eat them or even sell them when they produce the fruits that are always nutritious. You can get the fruits and sell them to customers around the farm or even far. It's a big purple plant that I have also on the farm. So I hope guys you've enjoyed the video. So remember to like, share, ask questions, and also remember to subscribe for more updates. Till next time, have fun. Bye bye.